Hello everyone, and welcome back to English with Sophia. This session is particularly designed for those of you at the B1 level of English learning. If you're aiming to enhance your listening and comprehension skills, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get updates on our new content. Today, we are going to explore a topic that is both intriguing and educational: stereotypes. Introduction to stereotypes. A stereotype is a generalized belief or idea about a group of people that is often oversimplified and not entirely accurate. While some stereotypes might be based on real observations, they typically do not account for the full diversity and complexity of individuals within those groups. Importance of discussing stereotypes. Understanding and discussing stereotypes is vital for English learners like you, as it can help improve cultural comprehension and sensitivity. This discussion will aid in recognizing common stereotypes and assessing their truth, which is essential for effective communication in a global context. Examining common stereotypes. Economic stereotypes. Often, people from economically developed countries are perceived as wealthy. This stereotype can influence how they are viewed and treated internationally, and it's important to understand the economic diversity that exists within any country. Cultural knowledge. There is a stereotype that individuals from richer nations lack knowledge about other cultures. By discussing this, we can address misconceptions and emphasize the value of cultural education. Work ethic. The view that people from certain regions are workaholics is widespread. We will discuss how this impacts both the individual's life balance and their public perception. National pride. The stereotype that some nationalities are extremely patriotic will also be explored. Understanding the difference between healthy pride and nationalism is crucial for fostering international relationships. Discussion and critical thinking. Let's critically analyze these stereotypes and consider how they affect our interactions and understanding of global communities. Reflecting on stereotypes will not only enhance your English vocabulary and idiomatic knowledge, but also deepen your cultural awareness. Questions for reflection. 1. Identify a stereotype you have encountered about your own country or another country. How accurate do you think it is? 2. Discuss the effects of stereotypes on international or interpersonal relationships. 3. What steps can we take to challenge and change negative stereotypes in our communities? Thank you for participating in today's lesson on stereotypes, tailored specifically for B1 English learners. Engaging with this topic is crucial for developing not only your language skills, but also your global perspective. Please leave your thoughts and answers in the comments section below, and remember to subscribe for more lessons that help bridge cultural gaps through language learning. See you in the next session.